Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arun Sharma. In this video, I will explain about line spectra, that is also called the atomic spectra, and the continuous spectrum. First, I will explain about line spectra. Each element has a unique line spectrum, and this can be used in chemical analysis to identify unknown atoms in the same way as fingerprints are used to identify people. So this is about line spectra. Now we come to the continuous spectrum. Continuous spectrum, as I told you earlier in my previous video, the continuous spectrum that we have observed in case of rainbow, or when a white light is passes through a prism, we get VIBGYOR, in which violet merges into blue, blue into green, and so on. So this is spectrum is continuous. Now, what is line spectra? As I told you, each element produces a unique set of spectral lines. When atoms are excited, they emit light of certain wavelengths, which correspond to different colors. The emitted light can be observed as a series of colored lines with dark spaces in between. This series of colored lines is called a line or atomic spectra. Elements like rubidium, cesium, thallium, indium, gallium, and scandium were discovered by using this spectra when their minerals were analyzed by spectroscopic methods. The element helium was discovered in the sun by spectroscopic method. So the line emission spectrum and the atomic absorption spectroscopy that can be used to identify the atoms or elements in various samples. Now this is about continuous spectrum. As shown in the images, that continuous means a continuous spectrum that contains many different colors or wavelengths with no gaps. So there is no gap, like the color R merges to another color. A similar spectrum is produced when a rainbow forms in the sky. So this is about the continuous spectrum. And in this spectrum, we cannot use to identify elements. So this is the advantage of the line spectrum over the continuous spectrum. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. If you have any questions, please contact to me. Thank you very much.